new generation, you will see the big difference compared to competition. So, a tablet is not the same tablet as competition with Archos. You have to think about different things which is very important for people. First is our tablet is based on Android 3.2. You have Android markets. You have all the application from Google. Why? Because we are certified. So it means all developer will post an application on market on 3.2 will be compatible with our tablets. So that's a very good news for you and very good news for all the world that now when you post an application on Google Market, it will be fully compatible with Archos tablets. Now let's see the difference with competition. We're going to go with a very easy and simple way to have 3G. Nobody's got this solution. I will explain later. We have the new processor from Texas Instruments, 1 GHz and 1.2, and at the end of the year we'll go for 1.5. So it means we will have the more performance processor of all tablets. Multimedia, you know Archos for the multimedia? You will see we have also special multimedia application that you will not find in the standard tablets. Also, the storage. Everybody knows in the world that Archos is the first and the only one to provide high capacity, and you will see how much capacity we can provide in the tablets. And the last point, but not the least, and a very important point, especially for your market, you don't want to pay 800 euros for a tablet. You will see that you will divide this price by 4 with Archos roughly. Okay? So let's go and start by 3G. You know, everybody wants to have 3G in the tablets. But the major problem is how I use 3G. I use 3G in my computer, and I want also to use 3G in my tablet. Today, it's not possible, because when you buy a tablet, you get 3G inside, and you get a USB key for your PC. With Archos, now it's possible to use only one solution for PC and for tablets. That's a very, very important point, and that's a very innovative point, I will say. Now, the problem is when you use the tablets and also your PC, you have 2 subscriptions. With Archos, you will have only 1 subscription. It's going to be an optional also a key. So it means you don't have to buy and to select especially a tablet with Wi-Fi and 3G. You only buy one tablet, and any tablet G9 will be upgradable in 3G. And also, you will only use the 3G when you want. It means when you buy 3G, you can also, we are negotiating with a lot of operators to propose you as pay as you go. It means you decide if you want a subscription, yes or no, or pay just 3G for 1 day or for 30 days. So, now the price. It's a very important issue, because if you want to choose a tablet with Wi-Fi and 3G, you pay 100 euro, 100 euro 20. With Archos, no way. We don't want to propose 100 euro for 3G. That's not possible for end users. So we're going to propose only 50 euro. It means when you want to upgrade your tablet, you will pay only 50 euro, and this 50 euro will be split into your PC and your tablet. So in fact, you invest only for your tablet 25 euro only, because the rest will be used by your PC. Okay? What is very important also to know is this USB key is not SIM locked. So it means if today you have already a subscription, you could put your SIM card into your 3G USB key. Okay? So that's the first point, and in fact you will have a box, and it could be sold in any shop, in any retailers. And we are today having a lot of discussion with SFR in France. It's already concluded. Orange, we are fully compatible, but you know they have not decided to go. Vodafone, yes. We are in Germany. We are 3, but we have also Bouygues in France, And we are discussing with a lot of people doing SIM card, because any SIM card is fully compatible with this key, which that's the most important things to know. So it means today, if you have already an internet connection, just buy €49 and it's fully compatible with your PC and your tablet. Now, let's talk about processor, because I say my second wish is to offer you a very nice tablet with a very veloz, very performance tablet. Yes, we're going to use a new Texas Instruments processor. And you know what is the difference with Texas and NVIDIA? Texas was there before NVIDIA first, okay, so they have a lot of background about using processor for mobility. And the first point is Texas Instruments processor is capable to decode 180p on high profile. And NVIDIA is not capable to play all 180p videos. The second point is the Texas Instruments has got a coprocessor inside. And you know what is a coprocessor? It's very helpful for the dual core, even some dual core, to have more fluidity, to have more reactivity on some application, because the coprocessor will help this processor. So at the same speed, it will be faster. And we will propose a turbo version before Christmas. It's going to be 1.2, and this turbo will be 20% more faster than competition. And next year we'll go for 1.5. Okay? So that's very important to know. Now, application, like I said to you, Arcos is a very specialist of application. And what is very interesting is we have developed a music application where you will navigate through the album cover, or you will have exactly the same for the film. You will navigate through the image of the film. And if you push a long time on the image, you will access automatically to all the metadata directly through internet. So you will download automatically the image of the film and the synopsis directly onto the tablet. So that's also a new application which do not exist with competition. Yes, we're going to play 180p, okay, all format on TV, everything, like we play here. We play any FLV, any film. For example, this tablet is playing on the TV. What is very important is TV. It's very good to play video, but if you play only video, your tablet is only a multimedia tablet to be put on TV. With Arcos, we do something else. With Arcos, you could do everything, all the interface through the HDMI, and we use also a mini HDMI, so a standard cable. You use any standard cable, mini HDMI to HDMI, and then you play. You have all your video, but also all your application. You could have internet on TV. You can surf the web on TV. So just a little thing. Today you buy a TV for, I don't know, €300 average price. You could transfer this TV as an internet TV, cost normally into a shop €1,000, just by adding an Arcos tablet. So you will watch your email, you will surf internet, you will watch all your news every day, and it's very rapid because when you touch the button to go on with your tablet, it's automatically on TV, and you access automatically from your network having internet on a TV. So you could have all the interface, and some people will say to me, okay, that's good to have tablets on TV, but how I can remote my TV? How can I control my TV, my tablet which is on my TV, okay? You will use two things. First, this little application called Arcos Remote. And this application, you will just upload it on your smartphone, your Android smartphone, and you will control your tablet directly with your smartphone. And you could also buy any internet tablet, little MP4 Android connected product from Arcos, 2.8 inch, 3.2 or 4.3 inch, and you will control the same way your tablet with just a little Android player. So that's the good news. But even for you, we have even something better. That's too bad, I've just forgot my keyboard. But you could also link a keyboard, a Bluetooth keyboard, and then it's marvelous. You get roughly kind of media center, PC onto your TV. That's marvelous, you know. Windows has dreamed to have all the video, but also all the internet on TV. Archos has done it. So now with an Archos tablet, you will be able to have everything you want from Android on your TV. Okay? And you manipulate like you want, everything. So that's a very, very good news, and that's very important. And you also, if you want to play games on your TV, and a lot of gaming which are developed on NVIDIA will be developed also on Texas, and also a lot of gamer developer will have a good chance to have also their games or their application on TV, a dream that everybody want to do, thanks to Archos. And now, let's go for capacity, okay? Okay, you have seen a tablet, it's 8 gigabytes. Okay, we have 8 gigabytes. You can add a micro SD, HD cards. What I want to say before I talk about capacity, even our flash tablet has got a very nice solution. You see this little cable? You plug to your flash tablet from Archos, and you will add an external hard drive if you want to, just for you. But people love to have capacity into their tablet because you have a lot of films, and especially HD films. So we will come with a 250 gigabyte hard disk. So the difference of size will be only 3 millimeters. Okay? So a lot of you got the 8-inch in the hand. You could see my tablet is a 250 gigabytes, and if you look, it's not so thick. And so it's a very nice, amazing device to have, because in fact, nobody realized that in my tablet, compared to competition, I have 250 gigabytes. That's a good news, and you see the difference of weight and the difference of size will not be so, they will not have so much difference. What is very important to know also, we are playing HD, so do you know how much HD film you put on competition tablets? Sometimes only, I would say, 2 to 4 films maximum. With Archos, you would put 40 films. So for the people who really love HD and want HD films on their tablet, you will be able to put the film. And I always say, when you are able to put it, because we have an MTP format for the specialist or the geek, to know that you can drop any films even over 4 gigabytes onto the tablet. Okay? So that's the good news for the people who love HD films. So why we will not offer 32 gigabytes, and you will see, because the cost is the same price. So why offering 32 gigabytes when you could offer 250 gigabytes? So that's why we offer 250 gigabytes. So that's why in the range you will see 8 gigabytes, 16 gigabytes, the two with micro SD HD cards, and also a 250 gigabytes, because it's more interesting for end users to have 250 gigabytes into a tablet. So now you're going to say to me, yes, but 250 gigabytes, what is it? SSD? What is this strange solution? So I will put certain points here. Okay, the first point is 10 years we are doing a device with a hard disk inside. So we are specialists. So you could believe in us, it will be perfect, it will run perfectly. And also, you will have the same battery life as a flash SSD or SSD hard disk solution. How we are capable to do that? Because we have implemented next to the hard disk 4 gigabytes cache system to make the hard disk as fast as the SSD hard disk. So we have put inside more memory into this device to offer you the full fluidity of the tablets. Then we are going too deeply into Android 3.2, and we have changed certain very hard codes in order to manage the hard drive. The others are not able to do that. And the last point, which is also very important, when you do that, you better have a very good partnership, and for you it's also a quality name, it's Seagate. So with all these points, we are capable to offer you this device at 250 gigabytes. Now, you will say, okay, now you say, I'll come back to the start and say 800 euro for a tablet. Everybody go out, okay? Nobody's interested. So, at Archos, we say we need to give the right price to the market for the right users. And you know, HP broke their price and everybody go into the shop. With Arcos, we don't break the price, but we will offer you the first price, the first device at 249 in 8 GB with 1 GHz. We'll offer an 8-inch at 279 with 16 GB. And the hard disk solution will be at 299. So less than 300 euro, you get a tablet with 250 GB. And we are the only one to propose that. But you will say, and this tablet is more for mobility, so that's why we have two different screens. 8-inch for mobility, and yes, we will come also with a 10.1 inch, with 299 for the 8 GB, 349 for the 16, and less than 400 euro for the 250 GB. And that's why we hope in Italy to have the leadership in tablets, thanks to you and to our distributor also, IT, which is there, to propose to all the market in Italy the best tablet at the best price with the same performance as the competition, even 20% faster when the turbo version will be available. Thanks to all. Oh, one thing, do not forget, we don't have a USB key at 120 euro, but only 49. Thanks to all.